USDJPY. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about this USDJPY analysis for 25th of April 2025, right? Now, before we start the video, let's go through some things which I have to say first in the video, which means subscribe, like, and press the bell notification, okay? So if I am making the videos for free, especially, you know what? This is a Forex analysis, which means if you can utilize my knowledge, you can actually make real money. And in return, it's your obligation to subscribe and like and do all these things. I don't even have to ask for it, to be honest, okay? So go and do all that. And in case if you're a newbie who wants to try Forex automation, you can click on the first link below the video, come to this page here, check out all these proofs because understand and trust me, Forex trading or whatever trading is a very complicated process. It needs you to stay updated and learn so much after losing money. Nobody can learn trading just by winning, okay? You have to lose so much money to learn manual trading, okay? So if you have so much money and no guidance, you can go ahead and invest your money, keep losing, and then, keep watching. Do your thing, okay? It takes time and it takes money and it takes a lot of time to bounce back. So in case you want to learn manual trading, keep watching my videos. If you want to try something on automation, you can check out the first link. And secondly, say join my free Telegram channel. So in case you want some free signals every now and then, make sure you are into my Telegram. And then there is a link says send my profits here. I'll talk about that in a moment. Then it says check out best prop firm and Forex brokers. Come to this page. If you're enjoying some prop firm, click here. Prop firm is if you don't have money, you're going to trade with somebody else's money, but you have the talent. So go and pass the challenge and join the prop firm and then get started. If you have the money, then join these brokers and add your money, deposit the money and get started with your trading journey. Coming back now here, we have USDJPY. So before we do the analysis for today, the disclaimer is that my videos are for educational and educational purposes only, and I'm not responsible for any of your profits and losses. However, I know what I'm doing, and if you follow me very carefully, you will make money. You will lose money. Sorry about that. You will lose money if you don't know your lot size, okay? And if you use less leverage, that's when you will lose money, okay? For example, people will tell you, if you use high leverage, you will blow up your account. You will lose all the money. Let me tell you the difference. Accounts with high leverage but very low lot size survives. Accounts with low leverage but wrong lot size or a high lot size blow up. Using high leverage is not a problem. Using high lot size is the biggest problem. If you know your lot size, if you know your leverage, you will survive in trading. Otherwise, you will blow up your account and you will say, oh, nothing works, everything is scam, blah, blah, blah. Man, if you know your lot size, you will survive in this industry. Otherwise, nobody can help you. Lot size, leverage, you should know. Leverage, you can use as much you like. You can use 1:500 leverage. You can use 1:2000 leverage. No problem. If you don't know your lot size, you're underground. So if you are a scalper means that if you do 5 minutes trading, 15 minutes trading, I can't give you entry signals for that. But you can utilize my long-term analysis and then enter your positions accordingly, okay? And all these videos are free, actually. If you go on my channel, I have a lot of videos. And then in the coming time, in the coming future, in the coming days, you will see me doing free technical analysis, the hardcore analysis. Hardcore means that nothing hidden means that, I will not say that I will keep this to myself because this guy did not pay me, or rather I will not say that you are not into my some paid membership or into my course, so you have not given me thousands of dollars, so I should not tell you this. So it will be raw, uncensored, nothing will be hidden. So in the coming videos, you will see me exposing everything, all the knowledge I have. I'll give it to you. In return, I have this unique idea. Below my video, you have a link says send my profits here. What does it mean? It means that if you use knowledge from my videos, implement it in real-time trading, and if you make profits, then it's your obligation to come back and share your profits with me if you are a real human person with a heart, okay? If you don't want to, I'm not going to come and catch you, okay? So this is a unique way. I think this is a very unique idea I have in my mind. Instead of forcing people to join my $1,000 course, instead of forcing people to join to my paid Telegram membership, I'm giving you everything for free. Full free, total free. All analysis coming in the future. Everything will be free on my YouTube channel. And go and use that knowledge to do live trading, because In this way, if I give you free knowledge, you will be motivated to go live. If you have not done trading yet, you should, you have the motivation that you have the knowledge now, and you can test it out live. Before that, you can try in demo account as well. Okay. After that, if you make real profits, then only come and send me the money. So I'm not asking you to pay me $1,000 right up front. I'm not asking you to, pay me something monthly on paid membership. I can do that if I have to. Everybody else does that. Everybody else is doing it, and they will ask you to, buy some course, and it's nothing wrong in selling a course, nothing wrong in membership. But this my idea is unique for now. I want to see how many real humans are there. I want to see. We know that everybody is selfish. Nobody want to give you money. Okay, let's see how many people will exploit my knowledge and they will not get back to me. Let's see how many real people are there out in the world. Because if I have to stop, I can stop this anytime if I want to. I will not give you this for free. I can stop. Nobody's forcing me to do this. I can delete all my videos from my channel, and I will not make any videos in the future as well, and I will just make my money and I'll be happy. Okay, so I just want to see how many real people are there with a real heart who will get back to me and say, hey TubeCore, your videos made me this kind of money and this is your share. Let's see how many people, because I want to deal with the real human with some heart, not those cheap or selfish beings. I don't want to be part of that mess. Okay, so starting with the weekly analysis here, we have broken the previous lows. As you can see, this long week, so rejection has come. Probably we are moving towards the uptrend now, but in daily we are still taking a pullback, and then we have a red candle today. So this candle is from 24th of April, and there are a couple of hours to go for the US market before it closes. Okay, and then we have 4 hour. In 4 hour, you can see we are in the uptrend. So in daily we are in the downtrend, we are weekly in the downtrend. Okay, so overall trend is down, but in 4 hour we are we are in the uptrend. So this high, and then this high, and the pullback, and then again going up. So we have to go for 1 hour now, maybe 2 hours. I'll go for 2 hours. In 2 hours we're in the uptrend. So this high was broken, then a pullback, and then again we're going up. Okay, so when to enter, when to not. Okay, if you enter right now, just enter buy. Okay, if you want to enter into USDJPY, you can enter buy here. Take your profit somewhere here. Take your profit at 143.30. Okay, yeah, don't go for 1:2 ratio, because the long term trend is still this thing called the sell. Okay, long term is sell. 4 hour is up. If you want to take a buy trade right now, because the price is above the EMA, it has just broken. This blue candle has eaten this red candle, so we are surely going for the buy position here right now. Enter here and exit somewhere here, and make you a small 50 pips profit, and we are good to go. So I just gave you free signal, free entry, free exit. Guys, I don't even use stop loss. To be very honest, stop loss means that you are giving away your money. Okay, if you use stop loss, stop hunters will come for you. Okay, there are stop hunters in the market. If you use stop loss, they will come for your stop loss, and you will lose the trade, and then later on you will see, oh, if I would have stayed, I would have won this trade. This happens if you're new to the market. This will be a normal thing. Okay, so normally I don't use stop loss, but it doesn't mean that I'm careless. I keep an eye. I don't set automated stop loss, but I keep an eye. Okay, so I manually handle my stop loss. Understand? So yes, USDJPY, I don't know when you're watching the video, but when I'm recording the video, I have a clear buy signal here. This blue candle has eaten this red candle in 4 hour. Then the price is above the EMA. Enter buy now, exit somewhere here, take your 50 pips, walk away. Okay, overall trend is down. Okay, so now in overall, we have to wait if this will come down or if this will carry on going up. So that is something for future, but for now I give you one signal. So if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell thingy, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Till then, take care, have a good day.